Hello everyone, my name is Hello everyone, my name is Komali Veranda. My name number is 25055411039. So today I want to tell you about TOEFL rating expression. Okay, let's go. Oke, jadi di sini saya belajarnya menggunakan AI karena AI mempermudah saya dalam memahami dan mencari contoh-contoh soalnya untuk latihan. Langsung saja kita mencari penjelasan tentang TOEFL. Penjelasannya dulu. Oke. Di sini saya mengatakan bahwa TOEFL written expression itu tujuannya adalah untuk mengukur kemampuan dalam menemukan kesalahan tata bahasa atau grammar atau penulisan dalam sebuah kalimat bahasa Inggris. Dan di sini kita sudah diberikan beberapa contoh-contohnya. Bisa dilihat format soal. Ini bagian salah, jadi salah yang sering diuji. Jadi di sini contoh-contoh salah yang sering diuji itu mengenai subjek, verb, agreement, tenses, passive, present active voice, article, and the, pronoun, kata ganti, preposition, in, on, at, comparison, more, or most, or, si teman of us, parallel structure, kesepadanan bentuk, word form, noun, adjective, verb, adverb, redundancy, atau kata berlebihan, idiomatic expression, aturan khusus bahasa Inggris. Jadi di sini sudah diberikan beberapa contoh soalnya. Selanjutnya kita analisis. Subject the rise, singular. Di verbnya have. Oke, di sini the rise of into the industrialization in the 19th century have had a profound effect on social, economic, and political developments in the United States. So, sini jelasan bahwa subject yaitu the rise di verb yang digunakan itu adalah have. Seharusnya has karena the rise itu singular. Jadi jawabannya saya itu A, have. So next. Dan di sini juga diberikan tips menggunakan berita expressionnya juga. Baca subjek dan predika dulu, setelah perhatikan kata hubungnya, kenali pola umum TOEFL, gunakan eliminasi, jangan terjebak di artikel apa. Oke. Oke, di sini kita bisa langsung meminta buatkan contoh soalnya. Di sini jelaskan, contohnya. The professor together with the students are planning to the international conference next week. So pada ini the professor together with the students are planning. Karena ini dua subjek ya. So there. Jadi kita menggunakan are. Sini benar. Are planning to attend the international conference next week with the students. Because the information were incomplete, the manager decided to postpone the meeting until further notice. Mungkin sih kita akan minta tambahannya. Kita minta pembahasan persiapannya langsung untuk memahami dan menganalisa lebih jelas lagi. Tadi sih jelaskan bahwa ada satu bagian salah yang harus ditemukan ya. The effects of global warming is becoming more evident in recent years. Mungkin biar lebih mudah dipahami kita minta langsung jawaban terus tambah penjelasannya. Oke, sudah. Oke, kita sebagai hati-hatian dulu. Ini 5 soal ini. Kita tes untuk hatian. The effect of global warming is becoming more evident in recent years. Nah ini years. Jadi the effect of global warming ini harusnya tahun tuh harusnya mungkin. To suggest that he goes to the library to find more information for seminar, find more information for his research. Goes to the emissions. Many species of animals has become endangered because of habit destruction. Many species of animal has become many species of animal has ini harusnya five. Neither the students nor the teacher were aware that the classroom had been locked. And now the teacher is in Harusnya was. The sentence is very clearly and careful so that everyone will understand. Explain his theory clearly. Cold explain. Oke, mungkin langsung aja kita cek. Oh, sih yang salah itu efeknya. Nah, ini jamak. Kita saya R. Sebenarnya terus tadi bilang harusnya A. Next, she suggests that he goes to. Setelah kata kerja suggest bentuk yang benar adalah best form go, bukan goes. Saya suruh kata suggest, harusnya go. Jadi yang benar itu she suggests that he go to the library to find more information for his research. Nah, sih benar juga. Many species of animal has become and that's because of habit destruction. Subjeknya spesies itu jamak, kata kerja harusnya have bukan has. Ini benar. Kita harus jadi bilang harusnya di sini harus menggunakan have, because ini jamak. Jadi soal nomor 4. Neither the students nor the teacher were aware that the classroom had been locked. Kata kerja multi subjek yang paling dekat, subjek terdekat di teacher tunggal, jadi harus was. Jadi kita benar, kita harusnya menemukan bahwa the teacher itu was, bukan were. Lanjut. The scientist explained his theory clearly and careful so that everyone could understand. Yang bukan adalah adverb, careful bukan subjek careful. Bukan the scientist his theory clearly and carefully. Harusnya carefully. Dia adalah adjektif, bukan adverb. Dan warna kata ini adalah adverb. Ya, carefully. Mungkin kita bisa minta tambahan soal lagi. Every student in the class have completed the assessment before the deadline. Every student in the class have completed the assessment before the deadline. Karena ini sudah dikerjakan saya sini had. Harusnya had. The commitment discuss the problem careful before making a final decision. Problem, the problem careful before careful. Yang carefulnya salah. The information that you gave me yesterday were very useful for my report. You gave me yesterday or yesterday what was yes, no, was. Mungkin ya satu luarnya sih kan. Oh no, proses ini usefulnya sama. Next, if she would have studied harder, she could have passed the exam with a better grade. If she would have studied harder, she could have passed the exam with a better grade. Di sini ya salah, bagian ininya. Nah, if she would have studied harder, the paintings in the gallery along with the sculpture in the corner is very impressive. The sculpture in the corner is very impressive. Sini isnya kita lihat langsung kita masukkan pembahasannya. Oke, jelaskan bahwa sini harusnya has tadi, kan? Harusnya has. The committee discuss the problem careful, banyak carefully, ya karena adverb yang dipakai adalah adverb, jadi harusnya itu carefully. Jadi kata yang benar itu the committee discuss the problem carefully before making a final decision. The information that you gave me yesterday were very useful for my report. So information itu adalah uncountable noun tunggal, jadi harus was. Nah, sekitar tujuannya harus was. Next, if she would have studied harder, she could have passed the exam with a better grade. Dalam conditional tipe 3 yang benar, if plus had plus past participle. Jadi, nah kita menanyakan sini salah, bagian sini salah. Jadi kata yang benar itu adalah if she had studied harder. Okay, next. The paintings in the gallery along with the sculpture in the corner is very impressive. Subjek utama paintings jamak, jadi harus are. Painting in the gallery along with the sculpture in the corner are very impressive. Okay. Karena the paintings itu jamak, jadi harus are. Jadi disini dijelaskan itu is, jadi disini salah. Oke, kita lanjut lagi. Dan kita buatkan soal. Lanjut. Di sini The teacher explained the lesson clearly and easy so the student could understand it. Jadi bagian salah itu bagian ini easily terusnya maybe. Next, one of the most important factor in learning of foreign language is practice. One of the most important factor in learning language is practice. Sini salah. The new computer system not only save time but also increasing productivity. The new computer system not only save time but also increasing productivity. Increasing. Although the novel was very long, it was so interesting that I finished in 2 days only. Maybe in although was very long, it was so interesting that I finished in finished it in 2 days only. In somehow, each of the applicant were asked to submit a copy of their identification card. Maksudnya sini were langsung kita buatkan langsung. Ya, harusnya harus pakai art verb tadi, easily. Jadi kata yang tadi itu, the teacher explained her the lesson clearly and easily so the students could understand it. Lanjut soal nomor 2 itu yang pertama di ini, one of the most important factor in learning of foreign language is practice. Setelah one of the, kata benda harus jamak faktor. So, seperti di sini harus tambahan S. Jadi yang benar itu one of the most important factor is learning of foreign language is practice. Lanjut soal nomor 3. The new computer system not only save time but also increasing productivity. Charter parallel save increase bukan increasing. Terbanyak itu save jadi increasing bukan increasing. Increases jadi salah. Jadi kata yang benar itu the new computer system not only save time but also increases productivity. Lanjut soal nomor 4. Although the novel was very long, it was so interesting that I finished it in 2 days only. Kata only salah posisi seharusnya in only 2 days. Okay. Jadi kata yang benar itu although the novel was very long, it was so interesting that I finished it in only 2 days. The Solema each of the applicants were asked to submit a copy of their identification card. Hanya each tunggal, jadi kata kerja harus was, each notification was asked to submit a copy of their identification card. Lanjut, kita buka yang lebih banyak lagi. Oke, kita langsung saja di bagian 15 soal. Langsung saja. The manager as well as the employees are attending the conference this morning. The manager as well as the employees are attending. Karena ini the manager, ya the manager, ya harusnya is not are. Next, the experiment in the chemistry lab was conducted carefully to avoid mistake. The experiment in the chemistry lab was conducted carefully to avoid mistake. Karena ini the experiments banyak. Misalnya were conducted carefully to avoid mistake. Lanjut soal nomor 3. She is one of the most talented singer in the competition. She is one of the most talented singer in the competition. Of the most talented. Si salah. Lanjut. The teacher told the students to not forget bringing their homework tomorrow. The teacher told the students to not forget bringing their homework tomorrow. Sini salah. Neither the direction nor the assistant was available at the office yesterday. Sini were si assistants. The assistants. The information you gave me about the information you gave me about the project were very useful. Usefully, harusnya sih. If he would study harder, he could get better grades in school. The man who called you yesterday wants to meet you this afternoon. To meet you this afternoon. The man who called you yesterday wants to meet you this afternoon. The man who called. Harusnya wanted. Every student and every teacher have received a copy of the new schedule. And every teacher have. Misal, oh no, sini have-nya harusnya had. The weather in the mountains are often unpredictable during the winter. I enjoy to read novels more than watching movie in my free time. Ini, oh, sorry. Maksudnya sini reading. Next, soal nomor 12. The new regulation will affect not only the workers but also the company profits. The new regulation will affect not only the workers but also the profits. Work. You will affect it. The sings very beautiful, which makes her popular among her classmates. More. She sing. The bridge, along with several non-big buildings, were destroyed by the earthquake. War. Harusnya was. Lanjut, each of the question on the test require carefully reading before answering. Carefully. Harusnya carefully. Lanjut, kita minta langsung jawabannya. Kita minta penjelasannya, langsung dijelaskan sini. Jadi salah satu itu the manager as well as the employer are attending. Harusnya is ya. Itu kita lihatnya is. Jadi karena itu the manager as well as the employees is attending the conference. Ini soal nomor 2. The experiments in the chemistry lab were. Karena the eksperimen itu jamak harusnya were. Itu kita bilang were. Karena itu the experiment in the chemistry lab were conducted carefully to avoid mistake. Number 3. Soalnya itu she is one of the most talented singer in the competition. Setelah one of the most, kata benda jamak jadi singers. Jadi kita bilang singers. Jadi kata she is one of the most talented singers in the competition. Lanjut. Number 4, the teacher told the students to not forget bringing their homework tomorrow. Not to forget to bring. Okay. Yang benar itu the teacher told the student not to forget bring their homework tomorrow. So, number 5, neither the direction nor the assistant was available as the office yesterday. Karena yang multi subjek terdekat asisten jamak harus were. Okay. Neither the student were available at the office yesterday. Number 6, the information you gave me about the project were very useful. Dan tidak pernah jamak, harus information. Oh, jadi sini salah. Information. The information you gave me about the project was very useful. Ini soal 7, soalnya itu if he would study harder, he could get better grades in school. Nah, kondisi di sini jangan dalam conditional type 2, if plus past tense, jadi studied. Okay, oh ya. Jadi karena itu if he studied harder, he could get better grades in school. Lanjut, soal nomor 8. The man who called you yesterday want to meet you this afternoon. Subjek tunggal, the man, jadi harus wants. The man, jadi dia. The man who called you yesterday wants to meet you this afternoon. Lanjut, every student and a student and every teacher have received a copy. Dijelaskan subjek tunggal karena every harus has. Oke. Okay. Yes. Lanjut, kelas dulu. The weather in the mountains are often unpredictable during the winter. Weather tunggal harus is. Oke. Okay. Jadi kata-kata itu the weather in the mountains is often unpredictable during the winter. Lanjut, soal 11. Soalnya itu I enjoy to read novel more than watching movie in my free time. Harusnya itu inform. Jadi I enjoy reading novel more than watching movie in my free time. Oke, benar tadi. Jelaskan, the new regulation will affect not only worker but also company profit. Parallelism to the worker plural noun dengan the harus seimbang the profits. Jadi jawabannya itu the new regulation will affect not only the workers but also the profits of the company. The sing very beautiful, which make her popular among her classmates. Yang kan adverb beautifully. Harusnya beautifully. Jadi kata itu sing very beautifully, which make her popular among her classmates. Lanjut. So itu the bridge along with several nearby buildings were destroyed by the earthquake. Guys, sudah saya asal itu destroyed. Jadi yang benar itu the bridge along with several nearby building was destroyed by the earthquake. 15. Each of the question of the require carefully reading before answering. Jadi yang utama itu each tunggal, jadi harus requires. Each of the question of the test requires careful reading before answering. Oke, oke. Sini jelaskan banyak ya. Jadi mungkin itu saja mulai saya menganalisa dan latihan soal menggunakan AI mengenai TOEFL written expression. Jadi di sini sangat membantu banget untuk kalian latihan-latihan. Mungkin itu saja dari saya. Kalau ada salah kata saya maaf. Saya izin. Terima kasih.